I said he gonna be tired, y'all. So
ice box juice.
gonna do we
Stole this.
It's my birthday dinner.
Boy, I've been watching you. West Coast, West Coast, boy.
So we made it to Vegas. We're just waiting on our Uber to take us to our hotel. He's about 7 minutes out. So once we get there, we will talk to you guys. Alright, so we're heading up to the hotel room. We are on the 27th floor. 27th floor. Look at this elevator. It's so pretty. Ready for the birthday weekend. Hi guys. So this is the hotel room. This is the bathroom. Ooh. Okay. Okay, light. Shower. This is the mirror, TV, there, bed. So they only had one with two twin beds. That's okay, y'all know my routine. Sleep on one, foolishness on the other. I always say that. You probably see better at daytime. Well, so this is my airport fit. So every day that I'm here, I'm gonna record my fit. This is my airport fit for today. I could pull it up so it don't look too dirty. So guys, we're heading out to Fremont Street Experience. It's now like midnight. We're probably gonna be out there for 3 hours. So I've been there before, so I probably, huh? About 3 hours. Grandpa said he gonna be tired, y'all. So I probably won't vlog much out there since I've been there before, but it's Damar's first time in Vegas. So I am dressed and ready, guys. This is my outfit for Fremont Street Experience. This is what Miss Mamas is gonna wear. I got this outfit from Target. Period. This is a big ass hotel. Okay guys, we're about to go back to the hotel because we have a lot to do tomorrow.
Girl, you wanna come to my hotel?
Ah, my stomach. So yeah guys, if I don't talk to y'all later, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. We just met Big Leroy. He's an actor in iCarly, Prison Break, Criminal Minds, Ned's Classified, Shield, a whole bunch of shows. We're celebrities. Get up.
Good
morning. Good morning, guys. It is currently 11:30. I took a shower. You could tell. No. The process of doing my makeup, so I haven't done the whole thing as yet. I just did, you know, my eyebrows and my lashes. We plan to get brunch, and there is this place called Area 4. I keep calling this place Area 4. It's called Area 15. We want to go there. It's like an arcade and a whole bunch of stuff, but I'll record it so you guys will see. The strip today. So I think we have at least 3 or 4 things that we're trying to do today. There's another thing I want to do, but I don't want to go say it and then I don't do it. I could always edit that part out. So I'm just gonna wait and see if it happens. If it happens, it happens. If it don't, it don't. Okay. So yeah, once I get dressed and everything and we are dressed, I will just show you guys the fit for today. Today is Saturday, the 6th. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go finish this. No. This is my final face look. Not much. Look, a little face powder and foundation, eyebrow, eyeshadow. That's it. Not eyeshadow, face. Oh. Yeah? Sir, excuse me. All right. This is my fit for today. Demar, where them your name?
You want to buy from Canal Street?
Stop playing with me. What my shoes name? My Air Jordans, the Crimson. I don't remember what these are called, but I had these for 2 years, just not wearing them. I got my shirt from Etsy, and these pants are from Boohoo. Jewelry, Amazon. Shein, my earrings. Amazon, my necklace. So, yeah, guys.
Furniture.
You got what?
I got this from Ashley's Furniture.
Okay.
And I got this from what's that store called? I don't remember.
Where you get your necklace from?
Necklace? Yo.
Where you get your necklace from?
Ice box jewelry.
So we're at this place called the Front Yard. So we just got done eating. We are about to head to a location about that place I told you guys about earlier. That I might do it, might not do it. I'm gonna go. So once I get done with once I get done, you guys will see. I'm not nervous or anything, so stay tuned. Period. Hi, my love.
Hey.
You drunk?
No.
Oh.
My fears, my limitations are disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, got on my course to get a long night. Ooh, gotta keep.
Babe, what did I just do? What did I just do?
Mark up your skin.
All right, y'all. So we are back in the hotel room because Grandpa wanted to lay down for a little bit, but that's okay because it is hot. It's like really hot today, but that's all right. We're about to, once we get done with the hotel, once we decide what we gonna do, I'm gonna give him some time to lay down because it is hot today. So we wanted to, you know, take a little break from outside because we're gonna go on the strip later. What time is it? It's like 2:45, so almost 3 o'clock. So probably in the next hour or so, we go to the strip, and then when we get done with the strip, we come back here. We could take a tram from the hotel to go to the strip, so we don't have to take an Uber. And then later, we're just gonna probably chill out downstairs because there's a lot of stuff downstairs to do. So I'm gonna go put my little cute dress on to bring in the birthday. 9 o'clock Vegas time will be my birthday Georgia time. So yeah, I should have brought my computer with me so I could have started editing this video. But yeah, guys, so once we get up and decide to go to the strip, I will check back in with y'all. Okay, we've just been doing some TikToks. So we're about to get on the monorail to head to the strip. We just got our tickets, so let's do this. Northbound, southbound. I don't know where we go. Nah, Jesus, we lost ya, no.
Still worried about wasted the best of me on your baby, yeah. Sometimes I read the losses, it's just urgency. It's just a little shit got me a war in my mind. Let go, thinking it was holding me.
You want to tell the channel where we are at?
But I'm on Canal Street.
Why you live over there, so? Tell them where we at.
What a place name? Las Vegas Strip.
Where are we going?
But it will pick up and find me. Still wanna try, still believe it.
So we wanted to get on this thing, but the high roller, but it's for like 30 minutes. I'm not trying to be up there for 30 minutes. Room, we just made some reservations for Venetian's tonight to ring in the birthday. It's our first time going there, mine and Damar. So we're just chilling. What time is it now? It's, you don't have your clock. It's 6, you don't watch, it's 6:30. So we're just gonna be here till dinner is at 9. So yeah, once we dress and everything and reach Abeniana's, so our reservation at 9, that's the time my birthday is in Georgia. So yeah, we just got some Starbucks. So yeah, white hot chocolate with some cheese Danish, something for the stomach. So we'll talk to you guys later. Okay guys, so this is my outfit for my dinner tonight to ring in my birthday. This is not my birthday dress. I got this dress from Amazon. My purse is from Shein. My heels are from Shein. My earring is from Shein. And my accessories is also from Shein, except my wedding band. Shein. This one is from Amazon and Amazon. So this is my fit, guys.
I might end up cooking before the night's over. 1,220 calories.
Happy birthday to Gabby and Tish.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you and many, many more.
Thank you.
Light up for you. One more thing.
Yeah, one more time.
Yes.
Make a wish. Thank you.
Okay. Wish complete. Yes, I'm
Any
ready.
dancer?
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Thank you. Anything
Ready
else
for
for
me
you,
to add
sir?
it?
No, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
And
I get you a box. Anything else for you here? Anyone? My girl?
Shein, okay? I got these from Shein. We about to head down to the casino. I'm not changing. I still got on my same pre-birthday dress. But we're just gonna head to the casino. Probably for next hour or 1 hour and a half. I don't know. When I come back to the room, I'll talk to you guys. Deal on my tattoo. Period. So, guys, it's 15 minutes until my birthday. However, we were at the casino. We won money. Then we decided to play again. Lost the money, of course. You know how that game go. But anyway, I'm going to try to stay up. I'm kind of tired. I'm going to try to stay up, take some birthday shots. I'm so sleepy.
Damn, babe.
Oh,
I say preach up a Jordans.
what you mean? The restaurant is inside the hotel. They took our picture. So I'm gonna get it framed. So we're gonna take birthday shots. 2 shots each. Apple. Syrup, pineapple.
Yo, P did it. Yeah, watch this now. Send 2 back.
It is. At the same time, back to back. Cheers to 24.
24, baby.
Wait!
I touched my soul.
This is me at midnight. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday.
Anything else you want to tell me?
Yeah, so you know you turned 24 and thing. Oh, I guess I get more miserable.
I am sleepy. I try to stay up so I can get on here and just say happy birthday to myself on camera at midnight. So now I'm gonna go lay down, watch some TV maybe. I don't know. We have activities to do tomorrow. So I will talk to you guys in the morning. My tattoo look good. Period. Good morning. It is the day of my birthday. We are heading to the wax museum. It's this Venetian. It's like this little Paris looking area in Vegas, but we're going to the wax museum, and then we're doing gondola ride, boat ride, or gondola, I believe it is, boat ride. And then we come back and then we just have dinner tonight. So that's our plan for the rest of the day. But I'll keep you guys posted, of course. So let's go. This is the fit for today. Let me use this shirt, Shein, pants, Shein, Air Force. Babe, where did you buy my Air Force? I don't know. Y'all could find us at like Foot Locker, Journeys. Purse, Shein. Same jewelry from yesterday, except minus like 3 rings or so. Amazon. Honey, outfit.
Stole this.
Oh, babe.
Thief this. Yeah.
Be serious, babe. H&M.
Yeah, this H&M. Fashion Nova.
Okay.
And these I got a gift from my wife.
Period. We are ready and about to head out. Do I need to fix my eyebrow? No. So let's go, guys. 24. Pass the phone. So we just left the Venetian. Well, we're still here, but we just left the luxury stores. We're heading to the wax museum now, and then we do the boat ride. Bye, my love.
Bye.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, right. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it, guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT.
A little in the way. So we are on our ride. Sun is hot, but it's okay.
Right. So where are we from?
Georgia. Well, we're from Jamaica, but we live in Georgia.
Oh, nice.
Yes, we're here for my birthday weekend.
Oh, happy birthday.
Thank you.
I have birthday songs for you later on.
Oh, nice.
Nice weather.
Oh, yes.
¿Qué parte?
¿De qué parte? De Dade, Doral area.
¿Doral? Oh, mi mamá es de Avellaneda.
Ah, ¿vos sos argentina? Sí. No, joder. I don't believe it. Qué casualidad. Sí, yo soy de Flores, de Capital Federal.
Qué bueno.
Dopo una tempesta, alleria fresca, pariggiana festa, che bella cosa, una rionata e sole.
It's a video. It's a video.
Do you have any special plans for today?
After this, we have dinner reservation at the hotel that we're staying at. It's this Italian restaurant, Fresco Italiano.
Oh, I think I've heard of it.
Yes.
Happy birthday to you. Tanto auguri, principessa. Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Thank you. So we're just sitting down at the Venetian because we Jesus my ear. My skin look funny. So you know what's crazy? On the boat ride, we met two people, a couple. The guy, he's the owner of a blinds company, and then they flew on Frontier. Last night at the Benianas, we met a couple. They flew on Frontier. Yeah. So we're gonna get massage. It's like a 10-15 minute massage. You ready? Okay, thank you. Gotta go. Guys, it's my birthday dinner. We're heading to my birthday dinner. Real quick, because we are pushing time. My dress is from, hold on, I'm gonna let Demar record. My dress is from Fashion Nova. My heels are from Shein. My purse is also from Shein. My accessories, Amazon, Shein, Amazon, and that's it. My earrings are also from Shein. Makeup Ivy. So we just made it to the restaurant, you guys. They're waiting to clean our booth. So once we get there, I'll show you guys the food, of course. It's an Italian restaurant that I found. It's literally in the hotel. So, yeah, guys. Hi, my love. Good morning, guys. It is go home day. I'm talking like it's work. However, today is the end to our vacation, my birthday weekend. We're dressed and ready to head to the airport. Shein. I don't remember where I get these jeans from. Same Air Forces, and I just have these earrings in from Shein. Babe, what time is it? 8:47. So it's 8:47. Anything for the vlog? Goodbye.
No, that's good.
Anyway, guys, here's the final view. I'm gonna go through and do a quick run through of the hotel room. Make sure we're not forgetting anything. And we are off to the airport.
I've been watching you.
West Coast, West Coast,